Hi everyone. Two cards are drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, one after the other without replacement. We're going to draw a tree diagram and find the probability of these three scenarios. Alright, so let's draw a tree diagram. The first one, we need a face card, and this is your first, let me move this down a little bit. So draw it down a little bit. So this is your face card. This is your first draw. And then we're going to do the second draw. I'll just put draw. This is your second. And it's without replacement. So face card. If you look at the face cards, there's a total of 12 face cards. 3 from each suit. So that's going to be 12 out of a total of 52 cards. So, not a face card, drawn the branches, and F and N are the leaves. This would be 40 out of 52. Alright, so that's that. And then the second, since it's not replacement, if we draw another face card, so let's just do this. Face card, not face card. Face card, not face card. Alright, so if you draw another face card and we didn't replace it, that means you only have 11 out of a total of 51. And not a face card means you still have 40 not face cards because you drew a face card first, but you still only have 51 cards. Alright, and then for this one, we have not a face card. So if you draw a face card, that's 12 out of 51. And not a face card, that would be, if you didn't draw a face card the first time, then you only have, if you did, you have 39 out of 51. So what we're going to do is write these as face, 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 not face, not face, face, and not face, not face. And then using your counting principle to multiply these two. 12 out of 52, sorry, I lost my mic. 12 out of 52, let's just write it out. So 12, 52 times 11, 51. So I'm just multiplying the leaves. And then face, not face is 12, 52, 12 divided by 52 times 40 over 51. And the next one's 40 out of 52 times 12 out of 51. And not is 40 out of 52 times 39 out of 51. So let's answer the questions. The first one, it says the first card is face and the second is not. So it's this one. So you multiply these two, and I can reduce this. So that would be 13, 3 out of 13 times 40 out of 51. Just use a calculator if you want. And that's going to equal 40 out of 221. So that's your first answer. All right. Now let's go to the next one. Both are face cards. So for that one, I'm going to erase this. Both are face cards. That's this one. So you multiply this. That's going to be 3 out of 13 times 11 out of 52. And that gives you 33 out of 676. All right, and then the last one, I'm going to erase this. I'm making different slides, so then I'm just erasing it, so you can always go back and see what I did. One is a face card and the other is not a face card. Well, that's both of these. So basically, we're going to take our first number, we already got this, was 40 out of 221. And so is this one. That's the same. It's 40. Let me see if I can squeeze it in. 221. And so is this one. Since there's two of them, you just multiply this by 2, and you're going to get 80 out of 221, or 80 divided by 221. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.